Today we're going to pack a duffel bag for a 2-day business trip. We've got underwear, vests, t-shirts, pillow, cap if you're going to train, your accessories, bag for your toiletries, mouthwash, shower gel, serum, your cologne. Make sure that it's 50 ml under, a shaver, electrical shaver if you need to, casual wear, denim jeans. So to get your jeans as compact as possible, you start by folding in just a quarter from the leg up. You then fold this little piece over here, fold that in, flip it over, and then flip it again. Nice and compact, so you can pack your denims, your jersey, and your t-shirts nice and compact. Okay, next we have our formal shoes. All right, make sure that they're polished. I just polished them. You don't want to get off a plane with scuff marks. Socks all rolled up, formal belt, underwear. What you do is you stuff your shoes, you stuff your socks inside your shoes, save some space. You roll up your underwear nice and tight. If it's for a 2-day trip, I always try to pack more underwear. So it's for a 2-day trip, I pack 5 undies. You never know, you might go to a conference and then attend a dinner party the evening. Roll up your belt, just stuffing into the back of the shoe. Another thing, always make sure that you have a shoe mitt that you will be packing your shoes into, because the soles are quite dirty and you don't want to dirty the rest of your clothing. This is the format that you will be packing your shoes in, toe to heel, like that, inside your shoe mitt. And also make sure that you have a laundry bag to pack all your dirty laundry in. You can stuff that in the excess space that you have over here. Anything else that you need, if you have an extra pair of socks, you can put it in this space. Rule of thumb is to pack your shoes first, and then your denims and t-shirts on top. I would always prefer to wear the heaviest of my shoes, so these are loafers, to wear the heaviest of my shoes on my person. So what we have over here is our shoes nicely packed into shoe mitts, our toiletry bag, don't forget your toothbrush. You've got underwear, vest, you can put on top. We can start with putting our denim first to create a barrier between your shoes and everything else. T-shirts, denims, and a t-shirt in your duffel bag. Next, I'll show you how to fold a formal shirt as to not get it too wrinkled when you unpack. First, you're going to button it down, just 2 or 3 buttons. I'm going to flip your shirt around. Okay, once it's flipped around, you start by pulling one cuff in, so like a third of the way. Like that. You fold the arm down. Like that. And do the same with the other side. So essentially it will look like this. What you will then do, same like with your denim jeans, you flip this over quarter of the way, flatten it out, flip it over once again, and you have it. Place into your duffel bag at the top. So if you are intending on taking a jacket and not wearing it on the flight, and you'd like to fold it and put it in your duffel bag without getting too much wrinkle, this is the best method. In terms of folding your jacket, you take the the one shoulder, and you marry them together like that. Okay. Pinch, use your hands to pinch the inside of the jacket like that. Flip it over where the one sleeve is inside the other sleeve. So all your clothing, shoes, toiletries are in the bag. Next, lastly, you'll have all your tech, all your gadgets and your chargers where it will at the top if you need to access them easily, and also to avoid any damage to your laptop. Make sure that you have a laptop sleeve. I usually put everything on top of my laptop like that, and stuff them all in the sleeve and put the sleeve on top. Forgot to mention, very important, extra pins. Close that big boy up. There you go. Everything is packed inside. Zip that big boy up. Good to go. Like a boss.